Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to add a friend on your ROG Ally or Ally X using the Xbox services. Let's get started. From the home screen, move the left sidebar and scroll down until you find Friends icon. Here, select it. Once you're on the Friends screen, the on-screen keyboard will automatically appear. Type in your friend's Xbox gamer tag. After entering the name, press B to close the keyboard. Scroll through the search results until you find the Connect profile. When you find a friend, press the menu button on your device to open more options. Select Add Friend. Your friend will receive the request. Once they accept it, they'll appear on your friends list. And that's it. You've successfully added a friend on your ROG Ally or Ally X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.